Hello there. Today we are going to dive into one of the fundamental concepts, the linked list. Whether you are a computer science student or a curious learner, understanding linked lists is crucial for building your foundation. So let's get started. Before we begin, what is linked list? A linked list is a linear data structure used to organize and store data. Unlike arrays, linked lists are dynamic and flexible, making them an essential tool for various applications in programming. They consist of nodes where each node contains data and a reference or a link to the next node. Think of a linked list as a chain of connected nodes, like a string of pearls, where each pearl represents a node and the string connecting them represents the links. Linked list is basically chains of nodes, where each node contains two specific information: one, the data to be stored, and a pointer to the next node. In linked lists, there is a pointer called head, which points to the first node of the linked list. The last node of a linked list is called tail. The last node or the tail node of linked list always points to null, which denotes that this is the end of the list. Now, with the basics cleared, let's look at the types of linked lists. There are mainly three types of linked list: single linked list, double linked list, and circular linked list. Let's begin with single linked list. In a singly linked list, each node contains a reference to the next node in the sequence. Single linked list is just a basic form of linked list. The head pointer points to the first node of the list and the tail pointer points to null. Now, let's look at how to declare singly linked list in terms of code. In C, we have the option to create our own structure. So, I will be using C, but you can declare linked list in other object-oriented languages using classes. First, I will create a new structure called node. Then, I will declare a member called data to store the data. In this case, for simplicity, we will be storing integers as our data. Next, I will declare a pointer which will store the next node of our list. That's it. This is how singly linked list is defined. Yes, I have not initiated it yet, but it will be done in the next sections. Our second type is the doubly linked list. It is similar to singly linked list, but instead each node contains references to both the next and the previous nodes. The previous pointer of the first node of the linked list points to null, as it does not have any previous nodes, and the tail node's next pointer points to null, because it is the last node of the list. Now, let's look at its implementation. Similar to singly linked list, we have a structure called node with members, data, and next pointer. But in doubly linked list, we have an extra pointer called previous, which should point to the previous node.
Our last type is a circular linked list, similar to the singly linked list,
in which all the nodes points to their next node, but our last node, instead of pointing to null, points to the first node of our linked list, resulting in formation of a circular structure.
Here, the implementation is same as the singly linked list, only the idea changes.
With the theory cleared, in the next video, we will look at all the operations supported by linked list with implementations. So make sure to subscribe, and if you found any value in this video, then consider hitting that like button. Finally, congratulations and signing out.